ourselves a distant thunderstorm to my south right now, and I'm seeing a little bit of lightning coming from the cloud even. And check this out. See it? Pretty wicked, right? Very wicked cloud. And that is a severe thunderstorm, by the way. It's moving east. So we're not in harm's way right now. But my golly, that's a pretty good cloud right there. I don't even saw that. That came right out of it. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. But yeah, got ourselves a nice, an amazing thunderstorm to the south right now. Anyway, I'm gonna cut. If things get worse, I'll, take some more.